So Steven, what are you gonna teach us how to make?
We're gonna make guacamole.
With the Eco Chop. Okay, so now he's made this before, but he usually asks me questions along the way, and so he requested to do this video without me in front of the camera with him, so he's gonna do it himself. So first, we've washed the cilantro, and now we wanna spin that extra water off, right?
Yes.
All right. Wow, careful with those muscles. All right, so then you pull that out, take the basket out, and then show them how much water, just kind of tip it this way. Actually, take it over to the sink and dump it, because you need to use it again, and then they can see all that extra water came off. Perfect. Okay, so now we're gonna put the blade piece in the Eco Chop, and really important to put the spatula on the bottom so that we can scrape all the little pieces off. So he says he knows how to do it. Let's see.
I did.
So this little piece comes with the Eco Chop, and a lot of times people think it's a replacement piece, but it actually is a spatula that goes on the bottom, because then it scrapes even just the smallest piece of garlic. So then what do we put in next, do you know?
I think do we do the avocados?
No, that's the last thing.
Oh, okay.
I love this. This is so funny. Okay, so first let's do, yes, the cilantro goes in. You can put the onion and garlic in. Let's show people how easy it is to chop the onion and the garlic. So just put the onion and garlic in first. Just put those pieces in there. This will be great, because then people can see, you don't have to break them apart. Just put them in, it's fine. That's awesome. So I've seen some kids over spring break using goggles to chop their onions, which cracks me up, because with this Eco Chop, you don't need goggles. So we'll just do that real quick. Perfect, okay. So just let me give everyone a glance of that. Perfect. Okay, so now go ahead and put all of that cilantro and all of that jalapeno in there. The lime and the avocados are last, just so you know. So this is really cool to see how much you can actually fit in here. So press that all in. Good job. Okay, so now we've got everything in there. So now you're gonna chop that up real good. Now this is the part of the guacamole that you want really fine. Okay, let's look at that, Steven, see what we've got. And then what I like to do is scrape it down with one of the mini spatulas. You leave the blade in there and just kind of scrape it down, and then we're gonna pull it more, because I like those pieces really fine, and then we'll keep our avocado part chunky, but this part we want really diced up good. So go ahead and pull that. Have longer, yeah, there you go, longer pulls. Perfect. That's perfect, that's good. My boys have a tendency to do the shorter pulls. Okay, so now scrape it down, and then we're gonna go ahead and start adding the avocados. Now in this Eco Chop, you can fit 4 small or 3 large avocados. And so we're going to do 3 large, because that's what we have. So we've already taken the pit out of the avocado, and then Steven's gonna use the mini spatula to pull that out of the avocado. Just kind of go around the outer edge. Perfect, look how easily that releases. And then you're gonna stick that in there. We're gonna pack in as much as we can.
All right, so now we got 2 avocados in, and now we gotta mix it up before we put the other ones in.
That's good. You don't want to turn into baby food.
Yeah.
Okay, so you've got the 3rd avocado in there. And now, what are you doing, Sarah?
Now I'm gonna put the lime juice in.
Okay, perfect. Okay, so
Like that.
it's a juice of 1 lime. And then, if you guys don't know the tip about rolling your citrus fruit out before you cut it to squeeze it, it kind of releases the juices. So we got a lot of good lime juice there. And then we're gonna use a little bit of our garlic flake salt. And then really it's just a matter of how much salt you want in there. A couple pinches probably, Sarah. And you can always add more later too. Perfect. Good job.
All right.
Okay, so now it's liquidy, so be careful. When you put that on there, make sure the lid's on good, and kind of pull long and slow the first couple pulls, and then you can go quicker. Just kind of blend it up. Good job. Perfect. Blend it up. Go ahead. We're just combining it. We don't want baby food, so that's probably good. Let's see what we've got. It is really full, so I gotta admit it's kind of hard to pull it off. Oh my gosh, that looks so delicious. Okay, what are we gonna serve it with tonight?
Probably some
Vegetables. We're gonna be healthier.
vegetables.
Okay, we can serve it with chips, but we also try to be a little bit healthier, and so we got some fresh vegetables, so you can taste it and let us know what you think. I think you did a good job, Stuart.
It's good.
Awesome, good job.